unique person in your life. It hurts to love someone and not to be loved in return. But what is more painful is to love someone and never find the courage to let the person know how you feel. Maybe God wants us to meet a few wrong people before meeting the right one, so that when we finally meet the right person, we will know how to be grateful for the gift. Love is when you take away the passion and the romance in a relationship and find out that you will still care for that person. A sad thing in life is when you meet someone who means a lot to you, only to find out in the end that it was never meant to be and you just have to let go. For when the door of happiness closes, another opens, but oftentimes we look so long at the closed doors and that we were not able to see the other door which is open for us. The best kind of friend is the kind that you can sit on a porch and swing with, never say a word and walked away feeling like it was the best conversation you've ever had. It's true that we don't know what we've been missing until it arrives. Giving someone all your love is never an assurance that they'll love you back. Don't expect love in return, just wait for it to grow in their heart. But if it doesn't, be content to grow it in yours. There are things you'd love to hear that you would never hear from the person whom you would like to hear them from. But don't be just so deaf as not to hear from the one who says it from his heart. Never say goodbye if you still want to try. Never give up if you still feel you can go on. Never say you don't love a person anymore if you can't let go. Love comes to those who still hope, although they've been disappointed. To those who believe, although they've been betrayed. To those who still need to love, although they've been hurt before. And to those who have the courage and faith to build trust again. Don't go for looks, they can deceive you. Don't go for wealth, even that fades away. Go for that someone who makes you smile, because it takes only a smile to make your dark day into sunbright. Hope you find the one that makes you smile. Dream what you want to dream. Go where you want to go. Be what you want to be, because you have only one life and one chance to do all things you want to do. The happiness of people doesn't necessarily have the best of way. Love begins with a smile, it grows with a kiss, and ends with tears. The brightest future will always be based on forgotten past. You can't go on well in life until you let go of the past failures and heartaches.